2024 Guide to Flawless Brazilian Waxing, Skincare Secrets for Perfect Smooth Skin. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to get the perfect smooth skin after a Brazilian wax. So if you're someone who's considering getting a Brazilian wax, or you're someone who's already had one, and you're looking for some tips on how to keep your skin looking its best, then this video is for you. What is a Brazilian wax? Before we get started, let's quickly define what a Brazilian wax is. A Brazilian wax is a type of waxing treatment that removes all hair from the pubic area, including the labia, perineum, and anus. Why do people get Brazilian waxes? There are a number of reasons why people get Brazilian waxes. Some people get them for aesthetic reasons, while others get them for practical reasons. For example, some athletes get Brazilian waxes to reduce friction and chafing during competition. How to prepare for a Brazilian wax? If you're considering getting a Brazilian wax, there are a few things you can do to prepare. First, you should avoid shaving or waxing the area for at least a few days before your appointment. This will give your hair time to grow out a bit so that the wax can grab it better. Second, you should exfoliate the area the day before your appointment. This will help to remove any dead skin cells that could get trapped in the wax. Finally, you should shower or bathe before your appointment to clean the area. What to expect during a Brazilian wax? The Brazilian waxing process is relatively quick and painless. The wax is applied to the area, and then a strip of cloth is placed on top. The strip is then pulled off quickly, removing the wax and the hair. The process is repeated until all of the hair is removed. Aftercare tips. After your Brazilian wax, there are a few things you can do to help your skin heal and prevent ingrown hairs. First, you should avoid wearing tight-fitting clothing for at least 24 hours. Second, you should avoid using any products that contain harsh chemicals or fragrances. Third, you should exfoliate the area gently every day to help remove any dead skin cells that could clog your pores. Finally, you should moisturize the area regularly to keep it hydrated. Skincare secrets for perfect smooth skin. In addition to the aftercare tips mentioned above, there are a few other things you can do to keep your skin looking its best after a Brazilian wax. First, you should drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Second, you should eat a healthy diet that is rich in fruits and vegetables. Third, you should get enough sleep each night. Finally, you should avoid stress as much as possible. Additional tips. Here are a few additional tips for getting the perfect smooth skin after a Brazilian wax. Choose a reputable waxing salon. Make sure the wax is the right temperature. Don't wax if you have any cuts or abrasions on your skin. Wait at least 24 hours before swimming or taking a hot bath. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.